Good afternoon, friends and followers. Welcome to another Wolf IT video. This is Foti. In today's video, we are going to be taking a look at the PC that I recently built. If you guys saw my last video, you know that I was in the process of building a new workstation PC. So, before we get this out of the way, this video is not sponsored. I'd like to get that disclaimer out of the way. However, I do have a new business venture. You can check out my website at wolfitservices.com. We are basically offering refurbished devices and all types of IT services. So please head down and take a look at that website. The URL is going to be in the video description. So without further ado, let's take a look at the machine. So to recap, I built this machine in a Fractal Design pop air case. A great case to work with. Plenty of cable management. I cannot say enough good things about this case. One feature I do like is behind this bezel, you actually have two 5¼ inch drives. So I will be doing video editing on this machine. So I am considering buying a enclosure to get some hard drives in here, some spinning drives for mass storage. I will be building a NAS in the next couple of months, but I will also have local storage in this machine and then just offload and back up to the NAS periodically. So let's just get a pan shot on the build. I'm using the monitor's a 27-inch LG. The model number is 27M5550. It is a 100 hertz display. And keyboard and mouse, nothing special, just a run-of-the-mill Logitech keyboard. Webcam is a Logitech that I use for work. I do have a Windows 10 Pro running on it. I use it for some of my work assignments. So Windows 11 for some reason is not supported yet by the client, so I have to run Windows 10 for the time being. So looking here at the back of the case, the back of the system, it's going to be a tight squeeze. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. I don't know if you can see, but there are plenty of connections. We have USB, USB-C, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, audio, and then the video connections. The MSI card I have has a DVI, HDMI, and DisplayPort. So, plenty of connectivity options. So, turn that back around. As I said, the case was very easy to work in. Here is a view of the system. So basically, I have let's start with the cooling. I have the three stock Fractal Design fans that came with a build. I have one in the rear in a pull, and then I have one in the front and on the top as a push. And of course I have the NZXT Kraken 120 millimeter cooler, all-in-one cooler. This is running a AMD 9700X, AM5 CPU, four 16 gigabyte DDR5 6400 RAM sticks for a total of 64 gigs. This has a MSI GeForce 3050 8 gigabyte GDDR6 graphics card on it. And I also have a 1 terabyte Crucial NVMe drive for OS and system use. Now you may be wondering why I haven't taken the protective film off. This is not the permanent home of the machine, so I just want to keep the film on to protect the glass until I get it to its final home. Now, I am going to spoil my long-term goals for this project. This case is not going to be the system's permanent home. As I mentioned in my last video, I am currently in the middle of designing and building a custom scratch build PC. So with a ancient pyramid theme. So stay tuned for that. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to do a work log or just do like a final product and reveal on it. Let me know in the video, just in the comments, what you guys want to see, and I will definitely take that into consideration. As you can see, for the most part, the cables are pretty clean. My only gripe about this case, as others have mentioned in their reviews, are on the bottom here. On the bottom part, the one cutout, there are only two small cutouts, and the one cutout toward the back of the case is blocked by the power supply, so you cannot get literally any cables through that. So the team at Fractal unfortunately dropped the ball on that. So a better pass through would be nice, or just enlarge, if nothing else, just enlarge the hole in the middle, the main hole, and then one toward the front of the case would also be nice, just to alleviate some of the congestion of the cables, just neaten things up a little bit. So other than that, I mean, as I said, this is a great case to work in. It looks really good. I've gotten quite a few compliments from people that have seen the build. So, PSU shroud, so no cables or power supplies are showing. This is a fully modular power supply that I'm using, which is nice. So I did run some Cinebench benchmarks. They were around the 21,000 multi-core score, so definitely a nice nice score. So back to a couple of live demos. This machine under load will hit like 5.3, 5.4 megahertz. Right now it's idling between 3.5 and 5. RAM usage, obviously, he's got a ton of RAM, so I'm not worried about that saturation. Network, it's a gigabit connection, so again, I'm not worried about that. My internet right now is a T-Mobile home internet setup, basically with a 5G router. The speeds on it have actually been pretty impressive. For my location, they've been averaging about 550 to 600 megs download, and about 50 to 60 up minimum. So, decent speeds, really nice speeds. I will be getting cable internet eventually, just because my clients really don't like the fact that I'm going wirelessly. So that's that. I don't want to get this video too long. If you have any questions or would like to see more in-depth benchmarks, let me know, and I can do another quick video going over, benchmark scores, and pretty much it's a wrap. Now the system. One last thing, if you are gonna build in this with a specific setup, the temps were a little high. They were like the 65-70 degree range. They were pushing up to 85, 90 under load, which is a little too much. Originally, I was just running the two fans front and back, but I then added the top fan yesterday, and the system does seem to run a little bit cooler. So I will be monitoring that and taking more measures, maybe with higher pressure, higher airflow fans, if needed. But that is the only, my only quote unquote complaint. If you guys have any suggestions, recommendations for fans, just shoot it down in the comments. We'll greatly appreciate any feedback. So, once again, thank you so much for watching. This has been a Wolf IT video. If you haven't done so already, please like and subscribe. And again, your comments are greatly appreciated. I also do have a Patreon being set up, and I will be offering a Discord channel as a perk of becoming a member. Your support is greatly appreciated. And on the Discord channel, I will also have a live support feed where myself and some other tech buddies of mine will be offering, IT advice. So stay tuned for that. That will become active within the next week or so. So have a great rest of your day, guys, and keep tinkering. Bye.